But like, see, these drawers don't shut normal, and it's just so frustrating. Like, can you just shut, please, sir? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a video of me cleaning up my makeup setup. It gets quite messy with everything I do there. I do my hair there, my makeup there, and I do it every day when I get ready for work. So it kind of accumulates quite a bit of mess. I kind of throw like anything I purchase from work there, my gratis, anything, I just kind of throw it there and then hopes that I'll sort it later. But it's gotten quite messy and I haven't sorted it in a really long time, and I really just need to go through and clean it. So if you're interested, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and let's just hop into the video. Okay guys, so I just kind of wanted to give you a little bit of a close-up of what we're working with today. So here we have my mirror that I use every day. It kind of has like the lights on it, so you can kind of see very well because my room isn't that well lit. I have this bag here of gratis I need to go through. My travel makeup bag has a bunch of makeup in there, so we need to empty that out. A bunch of trash, also a bunch of trash in there. This is a present that I got from someone. This makeup brush and just all this clutter over here. And then down here I have this that's on and I'm trying to burn down my entire house with, and I'm sure I'll touch that later on in the video and burn my hand. And then all of the other makeup tools I have and my dog's toy. So it's just quite a disaster and just really needs some help and some love. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. Okay, so I guess like the first thing I want to do is just kind of go through and get all the trash. That's what this bag is. This bag is all trash. So I can just kind of throw everything in here. Okay, so this is kind of where we are now that all the trash is off the desk. We still just have like a lot of makeup that needs gone through and just put away, I guess. This bag here I can open and show you guys what's in it. This is gratis that I got for my job. This bag here was a present, and yeah, I think that is it. So now I'm just going to go through and kind of put all this stuff away. I'll try to put you guys to where you can see what I'm doing. I guess I'll show you guys my drawers. So like this here, I need to sort all of this because this is only supposed to be makeup brushes. And as you can see, like I have makeup in here that I use. I need to go through and clean all these brushes as well, but I'm probably not going to put that in the video. I'll do that later. This just needs organized. This is all my bronzers, blushes, and highlights. This one here is just a bunch of palettes, but like this big palette doesn't go in this drawer because it doesn't fit well. I have too many. Then we have more palettes down here, and that can just be straightened. It's not too bad. And these palettes don't go in here. This is just like my clutter drawer of clutter, I guess. And I put like my skincare in here and like makeup wipes. Like this is a literal empty box. I don't need that. So put that in the trash. Over here we have like lippies, all my lippies, lip pencils, trash. My comb doesn't go in this drawer. Fake nails that are just old that I don't really need anymore, I guess. In here is just all powders. There's a few eyeshadows up in the front here, but the rest of it should just be like setting powders and things. So that's what all of that is. And we have this is another thing, like I need to do something because this is just not even on the track because it's so heavy. This is my foundation drawer and I can just never get it open. It just doesn't fit in there normal, like it's just really heavy. So what I think I want to do for this drawer here is get little clear acrylic little wall things and put them probably there because that's the electric box. I want to get like a big piece of art to hang there and cover that, but up here I guess maybe the foundations, or maybe down below where it's like more reachable, like right over here. So I want to get like the little clear acrylic things. I'll insert a photo on the screen of what I'm talking about, but just to like put my foundations in that I use all the time, I guess, maybe, because it's just too heavy for these drawers. I don't know. You can kind of see how the gapping and the spacing isn't like normal like it's supposed to be. This one kind of is the same way, but like not totally. Not quite as bad either. But this one's just like really, really bad. So I want to change that. And then in here we have mascaras, brow pencils, eyeliners, lashes, all that good stuff. And it looks like some more lashes back here. Okay. And then in the last drawer we have just literal clutter. So like headbands, sunglasses, jewelry, and that's pretty much it in here. But same thing. I just need to go through and really just straighten. Oh. So I don't know. I don't know what the problem is there or why they don't sit on this. I don't know if I could fix that. If you guys have any advice on how to fix that, let me know. All these bags here, I think just need to go in this suitcase over here. This is another thing full of makeup. And in here we have, it looks like brushes. And like this doesn't go in here. It's a blush quad from Tarte. We have trash, more trash. Well, this is the beauty blender thing. I don't know. I'm kind of a hoarder, so I don't know if I'll throw that away, but this definitely doesn't go in here. It's really dirty and unsanitary to have makeup brushes in there. We have 2 Jeffree Star palettes, and this is all just backups, so like stuff I already have that I don't need.
If it's love that you need, you can't take it from me, 'cause I'm the one who's giving it up. And I know it's been hard, but you've made it this far. No, I'm the one who's giving it up.
This is going to be what it looks like, all cleaned up and empty. All cleaned up. Down there is just cord to the monitor. There's an outlet back there, so that's why that's there. But other than that, it's all cleaned on the top. I do maybe want to film another video going through the drawers and kind of organizing it. Let me know if that's what you guys want to see, if you want to see it. And then also I do want to go through all of these bags with you guys. Maybe I'll do what is in my travel makeup bag and like a gratis haul, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So just let me know what you guys want to see down below and I will do that for you. Hey guys, so I hope you did enjoy today's video, cleaning up my makeup mess, disaster, whatever you want to call it with me. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more